Hello, everyone. GatherVerse, first of all, thank you so much for having me. My name is Chitra. I'm the CMO at Octagon Studio, and we are a tech company. We specialize in XR products and solutions. And today, I wanted to talk about how we can leverage XR technology to further define the edtech industry and also help bring a new face to the early childhood education. So I'm gonna start sharing my screen. Okay. So back when we started, we wanted to provide a solution for interactive learning that is effective and engaging for children using technology. And 7 years later, as early childhood education fades away into the era of homeschooling and digital native learners, there is still a continuous struggle for education sector to survive the shift, having its mainstream focus in the STEM curriculum. And also another aspect of it is obviously the affordability of pre-K education, which tends to make parents today skip that step, and therefore we have a massive decrease in the percentage of children being signed up to early childhood education. So of course, while schools are hard to replace with non-conventional learning alternatives, we want to continue bringing the most fun, engaging, and also timeless interactive learning experience for children and parents and children and also educators using augmented reality and virtual reality technology. And so we pioneered the AR educational product segmentation with our 40 plus flashcard series. We're mostly known for our 40 plus flashcards. They are flashcards with different themes and different edutainment contents, which is the term that we love, edutainment. So we have a series on animals, we have one on space, dinosaur, we have one to teach children about human occupation, and we have a lot more now. Some of our core values, first of all, perhaps 3D asset quality. Like we craft our 3D models prioritizing quality excellence to ensure the best UX, user experience. We also do not want to degrade the quality of the visuals once it becomes augmented reality or augmentable, because we tend to find that in a lot of implementation or integration of contents when it is inside a mobile app, or when it's inside a when it's projected in a web AR manner too. So that's number one. Number two is the interactive visualizations. So the interactions between assets that we have in a few of our 40 plus flashcards also make our product a powerful learning tool, especially for children. And also our mobile apps, not only that they are free for downloads at the moment, both on App Store and Play Store, but they are also packed with engaging auditory learning. We use voiceovers that are also currently available in multiple languages inside the mobile apps. And our AR products, specifically the 40 plus flashcards, are also supplemented with lesson plan provided and validated in the UK, the US, and Finland, which I will also talk a little bit more going in. At the moment, we have around 10 million apps downloads and more or less 1 million of physical products sold globally. We are still best known for our Animal 40 Plus, Space 40 Plus, and Dinosaur 40 Plus series. They're still the best sellers. People still like that the most. And we also have actually a few mobile apps that we license to our partners as well for them to use in their campaigns, in their products. And currently we have reached around 40 distribution networks, 40 regions around the world. And these are some retailers that have carried our products. And so going into this, I wanted to focus on two of our 40 plus series. First one is Animal 40 Plus. So I have the card here, Animal 40 Plus, a little bit about this, and also a little bit about our products in general. Is that Animal 40 Plus is an alphabetical cards. We have two series that are alphabetical cards, which is Octagon, which is on human occupation, and also Animal 40 Plus. And inside the package, it also comes with food cards. These food cards are interactive with the animal cards. And a little bit also about our products is that all of our products will have an instruction card in that has a serial number at the back of the card. So that serial number actually functions to unlock all the features inside the apps. So you download the app and then you open the app and then you register the serial number inside the application, and it will unlock all the AR features and games inside the app. So we've worked with two organizations. We worked firstly with Tecterra in the US, and also we've worked with Cocoa Education in Finland. And so we've conducted a few case studies to draw out. We draw out a few case studies and evaluate the usage of Animal 40 Plus in classroom format. So a few areas evaluated are firstly the subject, because these are alphabetical cards. There's a lot of activities using the alphabet cards as the base of the activities and also the learning for children. This is around age 3 to 7. So secondly, life and career. Here means that after using the flashcards for various activities, we saw how it helped children build environmental awareness, and also triggers children to support sustainability. And then learning and innovation. We analyze how the app helped bring out creative problem solving in children. And last but not least, the information and technology itself, the AR VR essence in the apps. And the second series is Humanoid AR Plus. Actually, this app is different from our physical product. So here I have Humanoid 40 Plus. Inside the package, there is a user guide flyer. In here, there is also a serial number to unlock all the features in the app. But what's interesting is the serial number that you get from Humanoid 40 Plus, you can also use it in our other app called Humanoid AR Plus, which does not require a physical product to activate and play with it, but you have to still insert the serial number to unlock all the features. So basically, this is also interesting because it helps the technology. AR VR itself helps make children to learn about the human anatomy and obviously translating textbook materials into interactive visualization. In this one, we have a boy and also a girl option for human body, and then you can children can also learn about the 6 organs inside the human body and how they work in 3D animation and also in interactive learning as well. And I would like to play you a little video on Humanoid AR Plus. So where we're going from here onwards, we would like to obviously extend our 40 plus series and also product range to further develop products that are not only functions as an educative learning tools for children, but also fun. And we want to pack it with more gamification inside the application. Our target users are Generation Alpha at the moment, digital native learners, obviously. And we want to also extend the product range to a multiplayer products, playing cards, board games, AR storytelling book, things like that. And to show you a little bit of what we do at Octagon Studio, these are some key projects that we have done previously with our partners. We've co-branded a AR flashcards for children with Discovery Mind Blown. And then we also license our app called Wear 4D Plus for partners to use to scan AR wearables. And also we provide web AR solutions for enterprises as well, which is a web based solution for augmented reality without having to download any app. And this is another key project that we would like to highlight. Maybe this is an example of how we utilize app to bring an immersive learning for children. So we did this project with the UK Space Agency in the creation of their app called AR Adventure in Space. Basically, the app functions, it offers an experience of interning in the International Space Station. So I'm going to show you a little bit on this one. I might skip this a little bit because it's a little too long, but I wanted to show how there is a quiz, a little bit of gamification inside the app to show children, introduce to children various occupation in the space industry that is not just an astronaut. So like astronaut is not the only thing that you can be when you wanted to become, when you wanted to be in the space industry. So we also created the VR models from scratch. These are 3D.
This is PMA1, the pressurized mating adapter number 1.
So, and then also within Octagon Studio, just a little bit about what we are currently developing. We have a few business units currently under development. We have a web AR platform called Argonauts. We have a dedicated team inside Octagon Studio, also developing an IP from Octaland series, which is deriving from the 4D Plus series Octaland, and then creating an IP out of it, and also a virtual gallery platform to curate virtual art exhibitions with ARable artworks. And then we also have a modular system called Augmented Reality Multiplayer System, which we call Octagon Arms. It's an early stage development of this system that enables creations of multiplayer activities in augmented reality. So we've used this app, the system on our dinosaur assets, and we created a multiplayer game themed paleontology. It's a puzzle game. So this is also something that we wanted to implement and develop further moving forward, because this can also function as a multiplayer learning activities in classrooms or even online. That's it for me today. Thank you so much for having me once again. Please connect with us and connect with me and the team, and I'll see you next time.